SolidCAM is a CAM solution that runs inside of SolidWorks. In the previous videos, we saw how to set up a part for machining by defining the machine, stock, and coordinate system, how to do a face milling operation, and a pocketing operation. In this video, we will see how to drill holes. We select the holes, and we can do that by picking on a face. And I'll spot drill the holes first. We set the depth. Instead of defining a depth here, a nice option is to define the resulting diameter of the cut. Here are the CAM cycles to choose from. Let's simulate the toolpath. That looks good. We'll save and exit the operation. Now let's drill the holes. Having already selected the holes once, we can pick them from a list. The tool will be a 4mm drill. Drill depth, I'll select the bottom of the part. And add a little more to be sure the drill goes all the way through. I'll do another G81 drill cycle. When the program is finished, we post-process it. Here's the G-code file.